Wouldn't it be cool if we could 3D print our own musical instruments? Oh, excuse me. Hello? Uh-huh. Oh, you've got the new Play Pack idea? What? A music machine with xylophone keys? I gotta go. Let's get started. Hey builders, so one second. Uh-huh. What? You can make your own song in the Toybox app? Okay, I gotta go. You heard that. Let me show you how to make your own song and build your music machine. As always, make sure to check the mail for your Play Pack. Once it's arrived, let's see what's inside. You'll find sticker sheets, some more sticker sheets, 8 xylophone keys, 10 bumpers, 1 dowel, and 4 foam strips. Check the insert to make sure you have all your pieces. Now the fun part. Let's head over to the Toybox app and make some music. Head on over to the creator space, click on Play Packs, and then choose the music machine. From there, you can compose your own song. The song builder works by letting you select notes, just like on a piano or any other instrument, or choosing a pre-made song from the list. Click this icon here to start with a blank song or choose an existing pre-made song. We've got an awesome selection of songs that you can choose from. Or we can make our own song. Choose blank song and get started. This is where you're in total control. Simply click where you want to add a note, and you can click again on the note to delete it. Once you think your song is done, give it a listen. If you like it, we can move on to customizing the color, giving your song a name, and then printing. It's that easy. Next, make sure to print all the pieces necessary to build your music machine. Now hold on, that's a lot of pieces. If you want, print the pieces necessary to make a xylophone first and rock out while the rest of the pieces print. Just skip forward in this video on how to build the other components and come back to it later. Now let's get going. First, we want to build the base of the machine. Start by finding the pieces that will be used to hold your xylophone keys. Look for the matching shapes to make sure you're connecting the right pieces together. You can also check that the musical notes on the inside of the frame line up properly. Next, we need to build the base that will hold our musical cylinder. Attach the side pieces and then connect the bases together. Make sure the hooks that hold the dowels are on the sloped end of the base, as shown here. Next, find the 2 bridge connectors and attach the bases together. Once again, you can match the shapes to the pieces to make sure you've got them on right. Next, let's add the cylinder. Put the 2 connector pins in the large gear and attach it to the cylinder. Place the jumbo wall connectors in the base. Then, grab the wall with the hole in it and put the tiny gear through the hole. Place that on the cylinder side with the gear and then add the other wall. Attach the whole thing to the main base. Finally, add the crank handle. Make sure to get it on there nice and tight. Let's take a pause on building because now would be a great time to add some stickers, bumpers, and the felt. You can add stickers to both sides of the hammerheads. Next, peel off the backing on the felt to expose the sticky side. Gently place the felt on top of the rails. Now, flip the music machine over and add all the rubber bumpers. This will help your music machine stick to the surface when playing it. Next, take all the pegs that will hold the xylophone keys and stick them in the base, right through the felt. Next, let's add our keys. Place them on the pegs in the proper scale order. Now, place the shelf pieces that will be used to hold the arms. Check that you place them on correctly by making sure that the note letters match the xylophone keys. Then, add one more felt piece to the top of the shelf. Next, we're going to add the hammerheads to the arms. Of course, the arms don't have to be the same color as the xylophone keys, but it can help to make sure you have them in the right order on the dowel. Once all the heads are on, place the arms on the dowel in the correct order. Then place the dowel onto the base of the machine. For final touches, add the pin toppers and then get a little more creative with some stickers. And that's it, you're ready to go. I can't wait to hear what you compose with your Play Pack music machine.